Little Early English Education.
Whoa! Look at this giant number. Hello, super learners. Welcome back. Today, we are going to draw and color number block 1000. 10 times 100 equals 1000. So grab your pencils and colors and let's get started. First, let's draw the main body. Draw a big rectangle. Rectangle. Top line, right side, bottom line, left side. Perfect! Our main body is ready. Now, inside the rectangle, draw 10 vertical lines going down. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Mix the colors all together, light and dark and warm and hot.
7,
Drawing makes us smile wide, coloring makes us feel
8,
alive. Number blocks are happy blocks, they make learning
9,
really thrive.
10. Now, 10 horizontal lines going across.
6
1,
and 7, 8 and 9, 10 together looking fine.
2,
Add them, stack them, count them tall, numbers growing all the time.
3,
Drawing every single block makes our artwork super
4,
prime. We can blend and we can shade.
5,
We can mix the colors bright. We can make new combinations.
6,
Make the picture shine in light. Drawing slowly,
7,
coloring softly. Take your time and stay in groove. When we
8,
draw the number blocks, every block begins to move.
9,
Learning numbers
10,
while we color
2.
is the best way.
Now we draw even smaller blocks inside. First, 20 vertical lines. 1, 2,
Coloring helps us shape our mind. Every
3,
stroke and every line makes new knowledge we can
4,
find. Now
5,
we finish, now we smile. Look how nice our work became.
6,
Every number block we colored is
7,
unique and not the same. We can draw
8,
again tomorrow. We can color every day.
9,
Number blocks will always join us
10,
as we learn and as we play.
11,
Drawing number blocks art, color and counting,
12,
working in heart, drawing and coloring, learning
13,
is fun. Every new number is
14,
number 1.
15, 16,
Hey,
17,
look at this page. Let's make numbers.
18,
Let's engage. Tap your crayons, clap your hands.
19,
Drawing numbers is super grand.
20. Now 20 horizontal lines. Now count by hundreds.
Down, boxes turning
100,
into town. Pick a color, spin it round. Drop some color, watch it bounce. Splash of blue,
200,
and pop of red. Numbers dancing on the page instead. Fill it in, then make it glow. Fast or
300,
slow, just go with flow. Oops, a line, that's okay. Color fun comes every way.
400,
Count it out.
500,
Here we go. Watch the numbers start to grow. 1 jumps in, 2 join 2, 3 and 4
600.
say, how do you do? 5 goes high, 6 goes wide, 7, 8 come side by side.
700,
9 says, look how tall we've grown. 10 shouts, now I'm not alone. Color, color, zip,
800,
zap, zoom. Brighten up the whole room. Turn the page into a show. Watch the
900,
number blocks steal the glow. More blocks, more fun. Stack them up.
1,000. Wow, 1,000 blocks. Now let's draw the face. Draw one big circle for the eye. Inside the circle, draw the eye shape. And inside that, draw the eye outline.
Now let's take a look. Better than a storybook.
Now, draw a big, happy smile because Numberblock 1000 is so proud, looking absolutely beautiful. Now, draw the hands on both sides. Now, the legs at the bottom. And finally, at the very top, write the number 1000. Our drawing is complete.
We begin step by step like a stage.
Now, coloring time.
Every block in the right space.
Hello, everyone. I am Numberblock 1000. I am made of 1000 tiny blocks. Can you count to 1000? I believe you can. Pick up the black color. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eye pupil and inside the mouth black. Great job.
Your picture feel just right. Shine the picture, let it glow. This drawing time feels so alive. Numberblocks are happy friends.
Now pick up maroon. Spell maroon. M-A-R-O-O-N. Maroon. Color the eye outline, the smile, the hands, and the legs. You are coloring like a real artist.
Let's start a brand new picture. Take your pencil nice and light. Make a shape, make a block. Make the lines all clean and right. Every number starts as shapes. Little boxes side by side. Drawing number blocks together is a fun and happy ride. Color gently, nice and slow. Fill the paper bright and true. Red and yellow, green and blue. Every shade and every hue.
And now the most exciting color. Pick up red. Spell red. R-E-D. Red. Color the whole body red. Every single block red. Fill it all in beautifully.
Down and back again. Every number tells a story. 1 to 10 and 10 to 10. We can color while we learn. We can learn while we create. Number blocks are friendly friends, and learning always feels so great. Coloring top to bottom, every tiny square and spot. Mix the colors all together, light and dark and warm and hot. Drawing makes us smile wide. Coloring makes us feel alive. Number blocks are happy blocks. They make learning really thrive. 1 little block, 2 little blocks, 3 and 4 and 5 in line, 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 together looking fine. Add them, stack them, count them tall. Numbers growing all the time. Drawing every single block makes our artwork super prime. We can blend and we can shade. We can mix the colors bright. We can make new combinations, make the picture shine in light. Drawing slowly, coloring softly. Take your time and stay in groove. When we draw the number blocks, every block begins to move. Learning numbers while we color is the best way to succeed. All our counting, all our thinking gives our brains the power and speed. Drawing helps us think creative. Coloring helps us shape our mind. Every stroke and every line makes new knowledge we can find. Now we finish, now we smile. Look how nice our work became. Every number block we colored is unique and not the same. We can draw again tomorrow. We can color every day. Number blocks will always join us as we learn and as we play. Number blocks drawing, number blocks art.
And done! You are a superstar! If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.